Winds in the east, mist coming in, like something is brewing and about to begin. Can you feel it? Is there something in the air? No, it's not Mary Poppins. It's love. Yes, of course. We are getting very close to Valentine's Day. And you'll tell me, Samita, what Valentine's Day? With restrictions, social distancing, how can we celebrate Valentine's Day 2021? Not to worry, we at AoDA will give you some tips and tricks as to how to celebrate Valentine's Day amidst restrictions and social distancing. But the usual drill first. Who am I? And why am I doing all this talking? I am Samita. I am an eco-entrepreneur, a fashion designer and an academic. I live and work out of Melbourne, but I have a global audience with my e-commerce store, AoDA Eco Gifts Online. So join me. We'll have some Valentine's Day fun. Normally, on occasions like this, Valentine's Day, my birthday, yes, I am pampered, or our anniversary, my other half and I would go overseas or interstate. But hey, if we cannot do that, there are plenty of things we can do. We can explore our backyard, go to regional towns, explore your own city. You could do art galleries. There are some fabulous exhibitions on. You could go hiking in the bush. Have a picnic in the park. You know the drill. Get a picnic hamper, put some shrimp on the barbie, and we are all set for Valentine's Day 2021. Walk up the pier and watch the sunset together. Option 2. Make a medley of your best travel videos. Stitch your travel videos together. Upload it on YouTube as a private video. You could also make a collage of your best travel photos. Make a collage, take a print, put it on canvas and surprise your Valentine or Galentine on Valentine's Day. So that's my tip number 2 when it comes to travel and photographs. Create the multiplex experience at home with some popcorn, a glass of bubbly, and of course, your favorite Valentine's Day movie. Be Saint Valentine's secret helper. Tidy up the house before she wakes up. Serve breakfast in bed, her favorite brew, a romantic Valentine's Day card, and a little something. Served by yours truly with a plate of freshly baked croissants. So, and if you are planning to dine out on Valentine's Day or Valentine's night, and if you happen to be in Victoria, I would strongly recommend Imi dumplings at Modiella. So this is the fabulous Imi dumplings, and this is the fabulous Jo, who's the owner of Imi dumplings, and Jo will tell you how she'll take care of you on Valentine's Day or Valentine's night. Over to you, Jo.
Hi everyone, for Valentine's Day, please come and visit us at Emu Dumpling Bar. We'll be offering $5 rosés and we will make sure to make you feel very special on that night. Thank you.
I'm sure you do. I'm familiar with your hospitality, so I know you're great. Thank you so much, Joe.
Thank you.
My audience would love this. Thank you. Talking about fresh flowers, I don't get flowers. I get something even better. Rose plants that create lasting memories. If your Valentine or Galentine is in a distant land, select something, a floral scarf, a rose scarf or floral dresses, and leave everything with AoDA. For instance, if you buy this dress, we will furoshiki wrap it with a coordinated scarf. You know, something she can use later or recycle or make into something else. And we will send it to your designated address. Join us next week. We will show you how to do a few DIY Valentine's Day decorations. And of course, the essentials. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So, this is Samita signing off on AoDA's Valentine's Day blog post part 1. We will see you again next week with Valentine's Day part 2.